Right folks, we've got the lorry back to do the last of our sticky rice and the plain rice. Let's have a look. And the lorry's back. So we've got the last of the sticky rice to get in here. In the pile over there, big pile there is the plain rice. So the man is up on his machine, and we'll be starting in a minute, and away we go. Anyway, got it, all the helpers in the village today, the shops. So we've got 48 bags of rice at home, what we had last time. Got about 30 bags here, sticky there, and then the rest of the, don't know how many bags of plain rice, but we'll let you know. Anyway folks, I've got to go now, we've got to start chucking this up. See you in the next video.